Is it worth anything? Today's video, we're talking about Lladro porcelain figurines. Lladro porcelain figurines were started in Spain in 1953 by three brothers whose last name was Lladro. They started showing up, the porcelain figurines started showing up in the States in the mid-60s. Now, if you have ever come across these, you know that they just are superior to other figurines. The finish that they put on them is just amazing. It's very different than anything else, and if you go to their website, you can read all about how they do the process and everything. I checked eBay, and the ones that went off in about the last few days were anywhere from $25 to $119. But there was one set that was Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs was $2,295. So evidently some of them still sell very well. So can you sell them? Yes, you can, but you're not going to get anywhere near the kind of money that you paid for them. And that's the really important thing to remember with all of these kind of collectible items. If you buy them because you love them and you enjoy them, that's great. Just don't buy them for investment because you're not going to get the money out of them that you put into them. Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about Hummel figurines and of course also Hummel plates. So, Hummel figurines are porcelain. They were made in Germany starting in 1935 by a company called Goebel, and I'm sure somebody's going to tell me I'm mispronouncing that. So originally when they were first made, they were sold for like $2 to $10 a piece. They gained popularity in the States after World War II because a lot of soldiers who were stationed in Germany were buying them and sending them home as gifts and souvenirs. They were most popular in the States probably in the 70s. At that time, there were a whole bunch of clubs of people who were collecting them. But Hummels, just nobody's collecting them anymore. If you will find them on eBay, but I was looking at a page of ones that were listed for sale, and they were going off within like an hour, and only two of them had bids. One was for $10 and one was for $20. So do they have any value? No. Nobody wants this stuff anymore. Nobody wants to dust it. Nobody wants to collect it. It's just not that popular. They stopped being made in 2008. There was another company that acquired the brand. So I think there are still some things being made under that name of Hummels, but the original one stopped being produced in 2008. So if you have them and you enjoy them, great. But if you bought them for an investment, yeah, sorry, they're not worth anything. Is it worth anything? Today we're talking about Royal Doulton figurines. So a little bit of history to start. Doulton Company started in 1815. In the mid-1800s, they were actually making sewer pipes. It had been determined that, of course, some of the outbreak in England of different diseases was because of the open sewage running along the sides of the road. So they actually started to make sewage pipes. Then they had other utilitarian things that they made, like storage jars and mixing bowls, things of that nature. In 1901, they were given a royal warrant, which meant that they could then use the name Royal Doulton with some of their things, and they used that, of course, for the figurines. But over the years before they started making the figurines, they did many different types of things, and they had different types of ownership of partners that came and went. The Royal Doulton figurines are still made in England. And they were done in a series of different things. People, there were animals, there were bunny rabbits, that series was very popular. At this point, there are over 4,000 models of different figurines that they have done. They are hand-painted porcelain, and of course they have the name, the seal, on the bottom of the piece. So, are they worth anything? Well, I went over to eBay to see about the ones that had sold. Many of them were selling in the $10 to $50 range. There were others that were selling a little bit more. There was one piece that went for $507. So some of the pieces are highly sought after. It depends what someone is collecting. So are they worth anything? Yes, some of them still are worth quite a bit. Is it worth anything? Today, we're talking about Precious Moments figurines. Now, Precious Moments has other lines, but we're going to concentrate on the figurines today. They were started in the late 1970s, and of course, this is like most collectibles. There was a limited run, and they would do so many of them. At this point, they have over 1,000 different designs for the Precious Moments. Of course, they do it for a while, and then they stop doing it. Each year has different models. So a recent study on eBay as to the ones that are selling showed them going anywhere from $5 to $100. So it varies quite a bit as to what the resale value of them is. I did notice that the Christmas ones tend to go from like at least $50 to $100. So they seem to be a little more popular. So Are they worth anything? Well, there is some resale value. As with most collectibles, you're probably not going to get what you paid for it. But for some people, they're fun. If you would like to learn more about what items in your home might fall into the category of antiques and collectibles and possibly be worth money, check out my book, Beginner's Guide to Antiques and Collectibles. It's available on Amazon.com for $24.95.